Air Show, we've been given a chance to get right up close with this full-scale mock-up of the Winglong, which is already, remember, in operational service. Very interestingly, the exhibitors from China have chosen to actually display the possible loadout options for the Winglong 2 right over here at the Paris Air Show, pretty much establishing it as a hunter-killer drone rather than a plain surveillance model. Now remember, the Winglong 2 has been exported by China already to countries like Nigeria, Egypt, Saudi Arabia as well. There were reports that a platform very similar to a Winglong actually crashed somewhere in Pakistan last year, even though those are unconfirmed reports. But take a look at some of these weapons that are here, the YJ-9E, the LS-6, the CM-502, all weapons that have been displayed along with the Winglong 2. China, which doesn't really obviously speak very much apart from displaying the model at air shows around the world, has actually now said that the Winglong 2 is proven in terms of strike missions, air-to-ground missions, and that's perhaps why the confidence to display these several loadout options for the Winglong. Now, the Winglong 2 and several other drone platforms by China obviously re-establish and come as a reminder of the many miles to go for India's own systems. Remember, India has the Rustam 2, which is also a medium altitude, long endurance aerial vehicle that is in development right now. Very similar in terms of stated capabilities. India has even called it, a Predator Plus. But whether or not that happens, it appears pretty certain that China is going that way, really, as far as the Winglong 2 is concerned. They want to prove it as a Predator Plus platform. You've seen journalists calling it a very Reaper-like drone when they described it when they first saw it here at the Paris Air Show. So we're going to try and find out more about the Winglong 2 and also about the other stuff from China, from the subcontinent here at the Paris Air Show. Thanks for watching. This is Shiv Arur for LifeFest.